Guys, I just wanted to say thank you. A lot of you reached out and was inquiring how everything went, and everything went well, and I will be back as soon as I can. I also got a lot of people saying that Friday's assignment was causing problems, and it's no longer on the week at a glance, but it is found in modules. So if you wouldn't mind doing me a favor, because it has worked for most people, click on number 59 and double check to see if it works again if you were unable to do it. And if that still doesn't work, let me know. But I am going to want you to finish that before Friday in order for it not to be late. Today's stuff is basically on this, but again, the home page is the best place to go for this. Our ICANN statements, what we're currently working on is on right here. The starter, of course. If you didn't on Thursday finish number 58, I'd like you to start by finishing that first. There's also some of you guys that still need to finish your test trackers and your goal trackers. And please look in your inbox to see if that's you. So if you had not done that, please make sure you look in your inbox and do that first. So before you start any slides, make sure number 58 is done. Number 60, sorry, not 61, what was it? Number 59 was done from Friday, and then your test and your goal tracker. After that, you're okay to start your project. Now the project, I gave you the subject for the project before I left. So hopefully you remember it, or you still have that little card, or you can look at this list and figure out what it was. And if you were absent, I have a little card for you, or the sub does. And if you totally space it, you don't know, the sub can give you a new card. Today you're going to really focus on the first 3 slides. So you're going to go scroll all the way to the bottom. There is a link right here to open up your own PowerPoint or Google slide. You're going to work on the first 3 slides. The first one is your title, picture, a picture, name, and period. So just kind of giving people an intro to what you're doing. The second slide is the problem. Now, of course, as soon as you answer it, please take away the instructions. So your instructions and your answers shouldn't be both on the slide. What is the effect of the use of natural resource that you chose? So how does it happen? How does your problem happen? Who's it affecting? So fully explain the problem. What caused it, and how did it get affected? Who affected it? Include a picture, diagram, or media to explain it. Then on slide 3, I want you to think of a way how to make it less destructive. Because of course you can't just say stop using water, stop using these resources. We need these resources. So how can you be kind of like the Lorax with the Onceler? How could he have made it sustainable? So the key word down here is sustainable. It's good for us and good for the future. And I would like you to try to find some evidence to support your idea. How is this definitely a good idea? If you finish, move on to the next slides. But that's our goal for today. I'd like you to remember to hit submit when you're done so I can see how far you're advancing on this. So today, hit submit. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I will be responding today to emails. And work hard on this. This is worth a test grade, and I know you can do it.